morning, students. I greet you in my online session. Today's topic is articles. There are 3 articles in English grammar: an, a, the. First of all, we discuss about an. We use article an before the word which starts with vowel sound. What I say? Vowel sound. Vowel sound. Okay? What are the vowel sound? Vowel sounds are, there are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O and U. When any word begin with these sounds, A, the phonic sound of A is A. The phonic sound of E is E, A. Phonic sound of I and E. Phonic sound of O is O. Phonic sound of U is U. When the word begins with the vowel sound, we use article an before that word. Like this is apple. Apple. What is the sound of this A is A. A is a vowel sound. Then I use N before it as E. Egg. Then egg is E is vowel. An egg, like this. An ice cream, an owl, an umbrella. You can use N before the word. Okay? And I write here this HOUR. H is not a vowel, but when we pronounce it HOUR, R. What I pronounce? R. Okay? Then I use, what I use here? N or A? We use N because it is R. H is silent. H is silent. Only we read OUR. Then I N R. Like this. Honest. In this word honest, H is silent. We don't pronounce is honest. Honest, no. What we pronounce? We pronounce honest. Then I use N because H is silent here. Okay? Understood? Now we discuss about article a or a. We use article a before the word which starts with consonant sound. You know 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Rest are the alphabets are called consonant. Okay? First of all, we use a with the general. We use a book, a bat, a kite. When we want to say and okay, and second, we use with consonant, use with consonant. And the third is we use a sentence when we use it first time. Okay, general we say a book, book is a consonant, general भी है और consonant भी. It is also consonant and general. Then we use a. Kite, K is consonant and we use it as general. Okay, and first time, when I saw a sentence first time, I talk about anything first time, I use a. How? There is dash a crow in the forest. You started a story, okay? Then you introduce a crow. Then you use here what you use a. There is a crow in the forest. Okay. Where we use a with general, with consonant and first time. Now we discuss about the. The is used for the specific word and second time. Specific like dash moon. Moon is specific. It is only one on the earth, on the universe. ठीक है? Then we use with it the moon. Sun is specific. Then we use the sun. Okay? And second time, how we use it the second time? Example देखो, I at dash apple dash apple. Sorry, हाँ ठीक है. I at a pear dash pear was sweet. First time, when we talk first time pair, I add a. Okay, and then we talk about pair second time. This specific pair, I add a pair with the pair. The pair was sweet. Okay, the concept of articles is clear. N used with vowel sound, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, a used with general, with consonant and first time. The used with specific word and second time. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the articles. You learn about articles. Keep practicing and learning.